Wondered how Apple sells their Apple Watch without selling? Well, we're going to find out coming right up. Hi everybody, it's time to geek out with Jason. I help people overcome their tech with tips, tools, and products. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And as always, in the description below will be where you can buy the Apple Watch and the new M1 Max with my gear, of course, that I use to make these videos. So definitely check that out and grab them while they're hot because they're on sale usually. So definitely check out that description below. All right, well, shall we get into it? Well, Apple sells their Apple Watch by having this special ad, and I thought we'd go over it and go into this commercial. So let me roll the commercial for you guys.
Imagine a future where one day machine learning will give you the power to track your sleep. Imagine.
Excuse me, ma'am?
Yes? Can I help you?
Yeah, this already does that.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, now you do.
Okay, let's try this again. It's all right, I'll start again. Imagine one day a tiny device with an optical sensor will send you an alert if your heart rate is too low. Yes? What? It already does that. What? Oh, okay. Well, how about we'll send you an alert if your heart rate is too high?
It already does that!
All right, let's try something new. We'll send you an alert if you're someplace that's too loud.
I just received one of those alerts.
Really? Well, you should probably find a quieter place, sir.
You should probably mind your own business.
Ugh. Okay, imagine one day in the future.
Hold on.
No. Let me finish.
1 second.
You'll be able to take an ECG.
It already does that.
It already does that.
I heard that.
Good. What about continuously track your elevation? Does it do that?
Does that.
Right, got it.
Does that.
Thank you.
Does that.
Yep, heard it the first time. Encourages you to stay fit.
Does that.
Okay, I get it. You're fit. I don't know. Will it automatically call 911 if a bear chases you off a cliff and you take a hard fall? Huh?
Yeah, already does that.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
You gotta be kidding me. Okay. I got it. Let's go from the top. Imagine a day, a future. Imagine a future. One day, tiny device, blah, 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 that uses red and infrared light to measure your blood oxygen level. Yes? What? No. Don't you dare say it. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Very cute. Well, that was fun.
All right, so how does Apple sell their Apple Watch through this commercial? Well, first topic is they actually sell their Apple Watch by telling a story of subtly why you need it without actually telling you the story. So it's kind of like a reverse engineering of why you need this product. Number two, the customer tells the salesperson what the watch is doing. And so it's making the salesperson look like they don't know what they're talking about and the customer really loves their product. Number three, it builds curiosity. So curiosity makes the customer want the product even more, what it does, what it features this, it features that, it features, oh, it's detecting that it's noisy outside. People want to know these features. All right. Number four, how it helps people in life, with sports, in fitness, and with special tricks and gadgets it does. It reminds me of like the Dick Tracy watch, like it can do all these little cool things. All right. Number five, how it reads your health. So I would say like the oxygen level, life situation happening, like you fell off a cliff by getting chased by a bear, and all of a sudden the helicopter's coming and they're rescuing you, and then the helicopter people are like, well, duh, it was the Apple Watch that saved us. Question of the day, which Apple Watch do you own? Let me know in the description below. I'm going to wait for the newest one, but you can grab your cheap Apple Watches down below in the description below. And don't forget, if you're having trouble reading on your iPhone or desktop, check out my video up there. It's a really good video. See ya.